Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can find your friends in Bigo Live. Open the Bigo Live application in your phone and you can see the search bar. Click on it and then you can search for your friends. After you search for your friends, tap on the follow button. This way, you can follow your friend and then you will be friends with them. Let me show it to you again. In the search bar, search for your friend's name and as you find them, tap on it. If you click on follow, you will start following them. This is the way to connect in Bigo Live. Go to the search bar, search for your friend's name and then click on follow. You can also see the communities which you can apply and join in. This was a video on how you can find your friends in Bigo Live. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. I expect to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.